Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You're in the meeting and ready to start the whiteboard. First, confirm you're a presenter or the organizer, because only those roles can share by default. Then click Share Content in the meeting toolbar and select Microsoft Whiteboard from the list. This loads the collaborative canvas for everyone. Once done, grant any required permissions if prompted by Teams or your browser so drawing, typing, and exporting are enabled. This step ensures the session is interactive and that every participant can view the same board in real time. Now that the whiteboard is live, focus on tools and access to keep collaboration tidy. Use the pen, highlighter, text boxes, sticky notes, and shapes to create structured content. Frames help sequence ideas for later export. Next, manage participant permissions. Switch between edit and view only to prevent accidental changes during presentations. Also, make sure to guide attendees to use the selection tool so elements move predictably. These choices reduce confusion and make it easier to convert the session into action. To close the session, export the whiteboard as a PNG, SVG, or save it to OneDrive so everyone retains a copy. This preserves context and action items. If participants report lag or missing changes, ask them to refresh their whiteboard view or rejoin the meeting. Network hiccups are the most common cause. Finally, make sure you recorded the meeting or saved keyframes. That double layer of capture prevents data loss and provides a reference if you need to reconstruct any missed annotations.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.